Kublai pi barok ni bidang sobhai pi shkatuk kubam ta kajan me chon pash ki kubor pepnian pen try kemat pekongsan. Sedang ke jingnyau vote ya ke election presiden Pakhat Rio dang tam ke Murmu hadian ke Kelaban Ningkong. Bentut kiseng kaliang persyak habaro art ligi yang dorbar halor kimat paper. Kerpat tuklar kinu hikai SSA yo lat halor ke jik jongki. Bat kentu Menteri Ketenak Puli Putih ya kinu hikai SSA balik haja skul. Ki kubor ki babnya ke kertong presiden ke NDA ke Drupadi Murmu kadang tam yo kertong baya khun persya ka Uyashwan Sinha hadian ke Kelaban Ningkong jong ke jingnyau vote ke Murmu kalayok pediang vote na sanspa sau pongut ki MP ke bakot sya ka lai lak nyo pu prahajar kat ba Uyashwan Sinha ulayok vote na arspa prangut ki MP ke bakot sya ka Shillong sau pusan hajar. Habak krench kelak petai kubor ha parlimen u Secretary General ke Rajya Sabha u PC Modi ulaong baki vote jong ki nyau spa sau pu prangut ki MP ki long ki babiang kat ba jong khat sangut ki wei pat la lap bakim biang minta ka jing nyau ka vote jong ki MLA kadang ya chakmat kiseng ki badon ha kaliang persyak la peteng pan pentut ya ki jing telun kam ha Lok Sabha halor ka jingkiu ka dor kamur jingkiu ka GST halor ki marba mardi pat ka jing khot hajar ka tanat ED presiden ke Kongres ka Rajya Sabha ne kesngi ka la peteng ban sakhi ka jing persyak ni kiseng kaliang persyak halor ka mat bede bat ka jingkiu ka dor kamur jingkiu ka GST bat ka MSP Onda ka yang dorbar kalaya kendo biang hadin ke jing saknge shipor jong ka Kelaban Ningkong ha kapor khat RBJ Minski kinong mi khmat na ka AAP DMK bat ki wei kilaya no ktilang haringkat ki jing pertasur kum kadak ban persya ka sarkar halor ki te kimat Kamigilaya SSA School Association sengkmi ha kasngi palai kala kerpat ka jing tuklar ulat ke jela usatia pal malik halor ki jing kinong hikai ke kendo habak krench kala pathai kubor hadin ke jing elang u president Kamigilaya SSA School Association uba Aristotle Rimbai ulaong ba ulat ula kular ye ki ban pensngau ya kate kamat ha menteri rangba ka jela u konrad ke sangma khnang ban penbet no ya kate ke jing kumju ke tanat plating ka bat ka tanat Puli Putih ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing penslam ban pelat ya ka ad hoc installment onda ulet Delhi la shai kasngi kuman chuk do hang ni kinong hikai SSA kila dawa na kabenta ka jing pelat no e ketulop sa teng basan benai jongki bat ban kimteu ketulop jong ka kerdan Puli lower primary bat upper primary
Abin ka jing sngap man jong ka sarkar jela halor ki atli ki mat jing dawa jongi ka banongkong ban pelaj ya ketulop padang sa jingi san benai kata jong benai February and March jong ka financial year jong last financial year 2021-22 nang ka jong current financial year 2022-23 jong benai April May and June kabaar kaba nakaliang jingi dawa ban penkiu dan enhance ya ketulop jingi kinong si bala omentan adin baka nimyo kano ka respon na kaliang jong ka state government benda kasni nila yolat badi kendo I honorable governor ban pensiau ha I kini ki atli ki mat jing dawa jongi ban ngila kerparo I ban kaliang jong I ba in tuklar lem pai dei batane kapenta dang bangi na kaliang jongi kinong kasi in yo ila ka jong pokok
Menteri Ketenak Puli Putih ke Jelau ba la kemen rembui hinin keski ulaong baka sarkar jela kan bansi ban shim ke sien jam ke beting ke managing committee jong ki skul lada kinong hikai SSA ke peteng ban pelong ya ke jing ki ki surok da ka bayada ki kena skul halor ka hok jong ki man yo ya ke jing nang jing start uba rembui la kerpat kinong hikai SSA ban peteng biang ya ke jing sim kelas namar baka sarkar jela kala ada penbiang ya baro ki jing don kam bat kadang yai up ya ke sarkar pedeng ban pelat ya ke installment ke beningkong knang bakin la ban siu ya ke tulop jongki ke belasa teng san benai Daki hajar ngut kinong hikai SSA kala penlong ki jeng ki pan persya ke jeng bamla jong ke sarkar ban pelat no ke tulop jong kinong hikai ka bela sak teng menta alasan benai.
As of now, we have complied with all the requirement of the central government to release the first installment. So as of now, we are awaiting the first installment from the central government so that as soon as we get, we will be able to release the salary.
Deputy Commissioner ke East Giant Hills District A Baranwal hinden kesngi ulapli ka lost to follow up tracking or tracing drive ka office jong Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District clear yat. Ya kini ke project on penrekam da ke Meghalaya State Network of Positive People. Haba ajeng keren hang kini kesngi Baranwal ula pentip bekidon ars pak sapuengut ki brio ki bedon ya ka jeng pang HIV ki balap saangi no ya ka jeng sya sumar. Ulaong bakat hong jong kani ka jengbut dien kalong ban pentikna babaro ars pak sau puengut kin yok ban peteng biang ya ka jeng sumar mara ka juk kepor ban test ru ya ki dekhot hapok ka yeng jong ki bakin thop iki lok bat ki khun ki kti ban tip ya ka jeng long jeng man hapok ka yeng kasem jong ki.
The first is obviously to track down all the HIV positive people within the East India Hills who have fallen out of treatment. As I understand, and as I've been, as far as my understanding goes, even if there is somebody who is infected with HIV positive, HIV, they, with the help of the ART treatment, if they are basically regular in their treatment, their viral load can be reduced to a point where they are no more infectious, where the virus is no more impairing their daily living.
Ka Indian Academy of Pediatrics menta kasngi kala rakhe ya ka National Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation Day ban pelong ru ka program ai jangi kai na ka benta ki brio na kaliang ka kot ka kya. Hapa ajeng keran hang kani kesngi u principal secretary katnat ka kot ka kya jong ka sarkar Meghalaya usampat kumar ulaya ro ikinong trei katnat ka kot ka kya ban pelat im ya ki babon ki mensium brio ulaken turu ikinong isbenta ban penkre eladi ringkat shibon ki jingnang jingtip shapang ka CPR kenang bakin long barabor ki pela penkre ban pelat im ki brio hakinong kinugi por ki baki ki yakendo.
Definitely have to spend at least some time for your own healthcare. Are you regularly walking? Are you regularly hiking? Are you doing some exercise? Are you actually having your good healthy habits? Because we need to really promote this across the state. Because unless we promote this preventive healthcare, we can't achieve the full potential of our state. So that the objective behind it, and I'm very happy about the group of doctors who have come here to help us and teach us some of the very important things that can save lives. That's the basic object.
Mentapat ini pet ya kejeng long jengman kasi beneng Shillong. Kejeng shit kalong 8.1 degree Celsius pa kejeng kriat kalong 4.1 degree Celsius. Kejeng sngem kau hau kalong hendai pusan na kasis pak minstep pa nyaw punyaw na kasis pak janmit. Kala abandon kejeng hap selap hikat tu kat ni kejaka. Sisisian pat ngipen ke mau pi nik kubor jengi pila aruban pet live YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong. Shaban poish ke bukut jong thup kubor ni pek biang sesi ni kemat berkongsan. Sedang ke jengnyaw vote ya ke election presiden bakat Rio. Dang tam ke murmu hadian ke kela beningkong. Pentot kisenggal yang persyak habaro artli ki yang dorbar halor kimat beper. kerpat tuklar kinong hikai SSA ya ulat halor ke jing jongki. Bat kentu Menteri Lieutenant Kulit Putih yakin hikai SSA dan lekha syesgun. Tiper lokatung la poisha ka bukut jong tuk kubor jing mata ka janmiet haduk mende syambiang mat pila syai ka sing kublai pi baro.
If music has your heart, then don't wait to take part. A rainbow of melodies. Rock Fusion, soon on Doordarshan National. A show open to bands from all across the nation, allowing talented musicians to showcase the magic of their original tunes. If your heart beats for music, then stand out from the crowd. Send details of your bands along with the performance clip to the email ID ddrockfusion@gmail.com. Rock Fusion. Let your music be loud.
If your talent remains unproven, it's time to join the Doordarshan Rock Fusion. A show for bands from all across the nation, allowing music bands to showcase the magic of their original tunes. Be a hummingbird. Let your music be heard. Send the details of your band along with a performance clip to the following email ID ddrockfusion@gmail.com. Rock Fusion. Let your music be loud.
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Counting of votes for 16th presidential election underway. Draupadi Murmu leading after first round. Both houses of parliament witness frequent disruptions following opposition uproar on different issues. MSSA School Association Central Body seeks governor intervention into their plight. And Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy asked SSA teachers to resume classes. And now for the news in detail. NDA presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu is leading over opposition nominee Yashwant Sinha after first round of counting of votes. Murmu has got votes of 540 MPs with a value of 3,78,000, while Yashwant Sinha secured the votes of 208 MPs with a value of 1,45,000. Briefing media at Parliament House, Secretary General of Rajya Sabha PC Modi said the votes of 748 MPs were found valid, while 15 were found to be invalid. Now counting of MLA's votes is underway. Opposition parties continue to disrupt the proceedings of the Lok Sabha over price rise, inflation, GST hike on essential commodities and ED summons to Congress President. The Rajya Sabha today continued to witness protest by the opposition parties over the issue of price rise, GST hike on essential items and MSP. When the House met after the first adjournment at 12 noon, members from AAP, DMK, Left and others trooped into the well, raising slogans against the government over the issues. The MSSA School Association Central Body on Thursday sought the intervention of Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik into the grievances. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Meghalaya SSA School Association President Aristotle Rimbai said that the governor had assured them to take it up with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to settle it, and also the Ministry of Finance and Education regarding the delay in releasing ad hoc installment during his visit to Delhi beginning tomorrow. The SSA teachers are demanding the release of their 5 months' salary and also to enhance the salary of the lower primary and upper primary.
Ka jing sngap man jong ka sarkar jila halor ki atli ki mat jing dawa jongi kebanongkong ban pelaj ya ketulop padang sa jongi san benai kata jong 9 February and March jong ka financial year jong ka last financial year 2021-22 nang ta jong current financial year 2022-23 jong benai April, May and June kebaar keba nakaliang jongi dawa ban penkiu dan enhance ya ketulop jongi kinomikai se Bala omentan adin baka nimyo kanu ka respon na kaliang jong ka state government benda kasni nila yolat bagi kendo i honorable governor ban pensiau hai kini ki apri ki mat jing dawa jongi bangila kerpar ro i bana kaliang jong i ba in tuklar lem pai dei batane benta nang bangi na kaliang jongi kinong kasi in yo ila ka jong ko.
Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rimboy on Wednesday said the state government will be left with no option but to take drastic action against the school managing committees if the SSA teachers continue to protest in the streets by depriving students of their rights to education. Rimboy has requested the SSA teachers to resume their classes since the state government had complied with all requirements and is waiting for the centre to release the first installment for clearing the 5 months pending salary. He said that the government is committed to streamline the system and take measures to ease the burden and pressure on the teachers. Thousands of SSA teachers are staging their ongoing indefinite sit-in demonstration to protest against the government's failure to release their 5 months pending salary.
As of now, we have complied with all the requirement of the central government to release the first installment. So as of now, we are awaiting the first installment from the central government so that as soon as we get, we will be able to release the salary.
The Deputy Commissioner, East Giant Hills District A. Baranwal, yesterday launched the Lost to follow-up tracking and tracing drive at the VC room of the office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Giant Hills District, Cleariat. The project will be implemented by the Meghalaya State Network of Positive People. Addressing the gathering, Baranwal informed that there are 241 people living with HIV who have fallen out of ART treatment. He said that the objective of this drive is to ensure that all 241 people are brought back into continuous and regular ART treatment and to simultaneously test their immediate family members, spouse and children to find out their status as well.
The first is obviously to track down all the HIV positive people within the East Giant Hills who have fallen out of treatment. As I understand, and as I've been, as far as my understanding goes, even if there is somebody who is infected with HIV positive, HIV, they, with the help of the ART treatment, if they are basically regular in their treatment, their viral load can be reduced to a point where they are no more infectious, where the virus is no more impairing their daily living.
The Indian Academy of Pediatrics today observed the National Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation CPR Day and organized a training program for the health professionals. Speaking on the occasion, Principal Secretary Health Department, Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar, lauded the health personnel for saving the lives of many people. He also asked the participants to equip themselves with more knowledge about CPR so that they're always ready to save people's life in any situation.
And each one of you definitely have to spend at least some time for your own healthcare. Are you regularly walking? Are you regularly hiking? Are you doing some exercise? Are you actually having your good healthy habits? Because we need to really promote this across the state. Because unless we promote this preventive healthcare, we can't achieve the full potential of our state. So that the objective behind it, and I'm very happy about the group of doctors who have come here to help us and teach us some of the very important things that can save lives. That's the basic object.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 26.6 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 95% and in the evening 77%, rainfall nil, forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Counting of votes for 16th presidential election underway, Draupadi Murmu leading after first round. Both houses of parliament witnessed frequent disruptions following opposition uproar on different issues. MSSA School Association Central Body seeks governor intervention into their plight. And Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rumboy asked SSA teachers to resume classes. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.